Smart Factory is IIoT-based flexible manufacturing system. Entire system consists of 4 modular stations, each equipped with PLC and SCADA. Industrial 6-axis robot with 7th axis as robot transfer unit is provided in the system. The bearing assembly is carried out with the help of pneumatic gauging, vision inspection as well as barcode reading. Production optimization system along with automatic storage and retrieval system is also provided in the system. The control system is equipped with industrial SCADA, HMI, digital twin with dynamic communication, barcode scanning and IIoT platform. Station 1 is equipped for pneumatic gauging system which will sort out 3 different types of bearings having same outer diameter but varying inner diameter. Any bearing other than 3 predefined bearings will be rejected in Station 1. Station 2 is equipped with vision inspection system. Any component with a dimension beyond the tolerance limit will be rejected by the vision inspection system. Depending on the vision inspection system, 3 types of bearings will be sorted on 3 different conveyors. Station 3 is an assembly station where assembly of sorted bearings and corresponding shafts takes place. The assembled bearings and shafts are tested in a pneumatic gauge. Station 4 is a storage and retrieval station. Each station is equipped with a sensor which gives dynamic output directly to IoT platform. Depending on the production schedule, assemblies from automatic storage and retrieval system are transferred to output conveyors. Central control unit is equipped with workstation as well as central PLC, Siemens S71512C, which controls the complete smart factory. 7th axis of robot, also known as RTU, is also controlled from Central Control Unit, CCU. CCU is provided with operational interface for complete smart factory operation. Digital twin software is interfaced with CCU workstation with the help of OPC UA. SCADA screen as per user requirement can be designed on CCU.